Hi everyone and happy weekend. I hope you're having an amazing day. So today we have a new subscription to our channel. I'm super excited. It is another jewelry subscription and this is the Tassy box. So it came in a mailer bag and inside the bag was this little box. You could see, so it's by Weave Tassy. Their box is called the Tassy box, and I pulled up their website like always. Whenever I have a new subscription on our channel, I pull it up so we can learn a little bit more before we get unboxing. Before I give you more details on the subscription, I just wanted to let you know, I'm sure a lot of you know this already, but I still have my 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on. It ends in a few days on May 8th. So if you have not yet entered, I will leave that down below in the description box. Jeez. I can never speak, can I? But anyways, let's get started on today's video. So I have the website pulled up like I said, and Tassy Box is handcrafted bracelets delivered every month. So you get 3 handcrafted bracelets with a value of about $45, and it is $18 per month with free shipping, and it does ship worldwide from the Philippines, I believe, which is super cool. And it says, the Tassy Box is a collection of unique and colorful weave Tassy bracelets. And they're not just pretty, they're handmade with love using quality materials, unique, custom, and original designs. So when you sign up, you choose your plan, so you can do monthly, or you can do like every 3 months or 6 months, like most subscriptions. When you do sign up for more months and not monthly, you do get a little bit of a discount. I actually do have a promo code with them. I will put that in the description box. It'll save you 15% on all of your orders through their website, so that's pretty awesome. So if you are interested in subscribing after this video, definitely use that. So yeah, the link and the coupon code will be down below. But after you choose your plan, you give them your wrist size. So I gave them my exact wrist size. I actually measured it so they can make sure your bracelets are totally fit and custom to you, which is so cool. They make bracelets for both kids and adults too. Yeah, so if you sign up for 3 months, it's $16.50 a month. That's a pretty steep discount. Usually it's not that much. And if you do for 6 months, you get for $15 a month. So you get like a free month. Yeah, a free box. So there's a different theme each month. I'm not sure what the theme is yet for May, so we will get unboxing now and see what's inside. This is so cute. So when you open it, this is what I see. So there's like this little mini paper clip and something that says Tassy Box with some paper in it. So let's see what these little pieces of paper say. So Tassy Box says, "Hi there, your Tassy Box is finally here. Thank you for joining the team. Don't forget to tag us when you show off your Tassies. Love, Diane." Awesome. Isn't that really cute? And then it talks about what the May stack is. So the theme this month is bloom, which is really fitting. You know, April showers bring May flowers. I'm such a dork. It says pink, blue, and peach with a touch of gold, like the colors of spring, classy and bold. And then it says handmade in the Philippines, and it tells you about 3 of the styles. So each bracelet we get. Apparently one of them is a new style, so I will keep this nearby so I can reference it. That's a super cute, and then there is that. And then on the last little piece of paper it says, "Welcome to Team Tassy." Tassy. Oh my god, I've been saying it wrong. Tassy. Or wait, no, actually I think that might be an A. You guys, I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. I think it is Tassy though. At first I thought that was a T-O-E, but it looks like it's T-A-E, Tassy. I apologize greatly if I'm pronouncing this wrong. You know, pronunciation is not my strong suit. But it says, Tassy, hopefully I'm saying it right, is a fun and colorful piece of 100% handcrafted jewelry made by Weave Tassy Co. Relating to Team Tassy. Awesome people with great taste and who love supporting the handmade community. Relating to Tassy Box. Best box ever. That's what it says there. So again, there is that card. And then under that, it looks like there's another little stack of, I mean, are these stickers? This is really cute, but look, it looks like there's like floral stickers, flowers. Oh yeah, these are so cute, so you can do what you want with these. Here is the first one, so cute. Here is another. Hopefully My camera is capturing how cute these are. I can't wait to use them. Here's like a little heart with some flowers. This totally goes with the theme. So cute. I love stuff like this. I started like stickering everything when I send mail and stuff, which I kind of do often these days, like for my giveaways and all of that. All right, now let's get to the bracelets. I'm so excited. Okay, so there are the bracelets inside. I'll show you them each close. This is so cute. Oh my God, I love this one. It has like a little flower on it. I hope, is that focusing well? I hope so. I'm gonna hold it for a second. Hopefully it is. This is so cute. I love it. Let's read it and try and figure out what one this is. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the flower charm bracelet. This is their new style. It says it's an adjustable braided wax cord bracelet with a cute enamel charm. This is super cute. I'm gonna hold it up closer this time. Hopefully you guys can see it now. I'm closer to the viewfinder, so I think you should be able to see it, and you can see here that it is adjustable. So awesome, so far I love it. Let's go to the next one. These will look so good stacked together, so they call them the May stack. So this is what the next one looks like. There's like some red, blue, and like white, and like a little light blue tassel there. Hopefully, I'm holding up my hand like in efforts for you guys to be able to see the detail a little bit better. And again, this one, there is an adjustment. Even though they do take your measurements, some people have different preferences on fit. So maybe if you want a little bit looser or tighter. So that's awesome. So this is the striped tassel bracelet, soft cotton threads woven in a striped pattern with a tiny tassel charm. Is this the same, is that one? Yeah, this must be the striped one because it has the different colors. Cute. I'll show you them all together at the end. And then here is the last one. I love this coral like peach color. Isn't this cute? These are gonna be so cute together. Let's read about this one. So this is the classic bar bracelet, adjustable woven thread bracelet in an original Tassy design. So let me show you them all together. And then I will try them on. Super cute. I think, gosh, I don't know, all together they look so cute, but I think probably the one with the flower on it, and I like the like bar one too. I like them all, but I think these two might be like my favorites. But I do think this one's cute too. I like the little tassel. So let me put these on and show you what it looks like on me. Alright, so this is what they look like. I think it is super cute. I definitely like the two I was saying the best that are like the adjustable fit like this, because those I got on super easily. This one has a clasp and it was a little bit more difficult to get on. I got it on one of the looser settings, so it's a little bit loose right now. I have to fix it. But I like this style bracelet a lot. This is super, super cute. So didn't want to waste too much time trying to get this on perfectly, but yeah, I really, really like these two. All right, isn't it so cute? What one's your favorite? You guys have to let me know in the comment section. I love them. I think it's so cute how we got these little stickers too. I think they're stickers. Let me double check. Yeah, they're stickers. I know. I just want to make sure there's like an adhesive. It looks like you can peel it off. So super cute. I love the theme. So this is the May stack, which I think is adorable. I love it. Super fitting. I love how there is a theme every month, and they say that the different months, like you can be able to mix and match them and stuff too, which is super cool. So this is the May one. If you order now, I believe you will get the June box. So they ship towards the end of the month, and you get them like the first week of the month. So if you order now, you'll get it like the first week of June, I believe, and it does ship free from the Philippines, like I said. So it starts at $15 a month if you prepay for 6 months, or if you want to pay just monthly, it is $18. And I think it is super cute. I love how it's handmade, but like super good quality. Like so cute. I can't get over it. I love it. Super cute for spring. So yeah, I love it. What do you guys think? I know I've been getting a lot of jewelry subscriptions lately, so I'd love to hear your thoughts on like what ones are your favorite. Do you like seeing jewelry subscriptions? Do you like when I try them on? Definitely let me know your thoughts down in the comment section, and also let me know if you guys are up to anything fun this weekend. the day I'm filming this, tomorrow is my birthday, and I think I'm going to go live, so I will announce that. But also let me know if you guys are up for a Sunday night live, a little birthday celebration. I don't have too much planned personally, so I would love to celebrate with you guys. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so, so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!